Pitot-static Instruments and Air Data Computer course. In our lesson today, we will discuss pitot-static system. Let's start. Pitot-static system of pressure instruments that is used to determine the following: an air speed, vertical speed, altitude, Mach number. Static pressure. The static pressure is absolute pressure surrounding the aircraft. The pressure of the ambient air surrounding the aircraft is taken from a static port to all pressure instruments. You must know the relation between static pressure and altitude from the figure below. As we rise in altitude, the static pressure will decrease, and so static pressure inversely proportional to altitude. Location of static port. The static pressure is obtained through mounted hole on the fuselage of an aircraft. The static lines connect the static pressure ports to all three of the pitot-static instruments: airspeed indicator, altimeter indicator, vertical speed indicator. Pitot pressure. The pitot pressure is the total ram air pressure created by aircraft motion. Pitot pressure equal to static pressure plus dynamic pressure. The airspeed indicator is connected to both the pitot and static pressure sources. Location of pitot tube. The pitot pressure is obtained from pitot tube. The pitot tube is most often located on the wing or front section of an aircraft. A small open-ended pitot tube is mounted facing the oncoming air stream. Ram air entering the tube produces a pressure that increases with the speed of the aircraft through the air. Dynamic pressure. Dynamic pressure is the difference in the ambient static air pressure and the total pressure caused by the motion of the aircraft through the air. These two pressures are taken from the pitot-static system. Dynamic pressure is equal to the difference between total pressure and static pressure. Construction of pitot-static system. Pitot-static system consists of the following: pitot tube, static port, associated plumbing that must be connected to the pitot-static instruments, airspeed indicator, altimeter indicator, vertical speed indicator, drain hole, heating element, pitot heater switch, pitot and static head. Some aircraft have combination pitot-static head, in which the pitot pressure is taken from the open end of the tube, and static pressure from holes or slots around the head. In modern aircraft, the pitot-static system use sensing element and probes or ports to get this information. Pitot-static system failure. Pitot-static system may be failure due to pitot tube blockage or static port blockage. In pitot tube blockage, at the altitude where the pitot tube becomes blocked, the airspeed indicator remains at the existing airspeed and doesn't reflect actual changes in speed. In static port blockage, would cause airspeed, altimeter, and vertical speed indicators to malfunction. Erroneous instruments indication. Altimeter reads higher than normal. Indicated airspeed reads greater than normal. Vertical speed indicator momentarily shows a climb.